Welcome to 4968 Yonge Street, Ultima on Broadway condos here in North York. This is a beautiful 1+ den condo. You're going to want to come in and take a look. Located at the intersection of Yonge and Sheppard, this condo is an excellent location for a young professional. You have access to the subway station, shopping, restaurants, everything you need, and also you're only a quick subway ride into downtown Toronto. This is an amazing place if you want to be in the city and get your foot in the door.